There may come a time when your dashboard starts to look too full and gets confusing as to what you should be clicking on or what you shouldn't. There may also become a case where you might see that something is missing from your dashboard and you don't know where to get to that course. There's an ability to favorite courses, and it's possible that maybe your courses have been favorited and you're missing one. So if we look at my screen here, you can see that the dashboard is listed and there's a number of different courses here. I don't want to see all of them because maybe I'm not directly involved with them all right now. If I click on courses from my global navigation, the blue toolbar here, I will see a list of all the courses that are currently on my dashboard, but then at the bottom I will see an all courses option. If I click on all courses, it will take me to a new page that will show all of the courses that I currently have access to. You can see at the beginning that there is a star on each one, and there are no stars that are marked right now. If I start marking these stars, it will favorite the courses. And once I start this process, only the courses that are favorited will be the ones to appear on my dashboard. So right here I can see I've favorited 4 courses. If I click back on dashboard now, I only see the 4 courses that were favorited. And if I click on courses, only those 4 courses are listed. If I want to change or edit this, I go back to all courses, and then I can either favorite more, or I can uncheck these stars so that none of them are favorited again. And then when I go back to my dashboard, I will see all of the courses listed.